Now you may be wondering why teach pronunciation. Since it inhibits successful communication, teachers don't need to correct everything but recognize difficulty.
Usually, pronunciation is only taught through error correction, and as this is necessary in the classroom too, pronunciation can be planned for, not making grammar only the primary reference. Some problems might arise when teaching pronunciation, mostly because there is a doubt on how to teach it. Most teachers are more focused on teaching vocabulary and grammar and leave aside pronunciation. But learners believe that this will help them to communicate better. There are three types of pronunciation lessons. The first one, integrated lessons, which include pronunciations in the planning process. The second one, remedial, which deal with a specific difficulty in the class in that same time. And the practice lessons, where features of pronunciations are isolated and practiced alone. To raise awareness on the phonological aspects, there are certain matters to consider. First, using a phonemic chart. This helps to encourage students to have the information they need when working independently. One good example can be using the virtual phonemic chart. A second aspect is drilling, repetition, and associated sounds with ideas. Associating sounds with particular ideas makes sounds easier to remember. Also, drilling makes sounds fit into students' language use naturally. An example can be that in order to help students become familiar with the sounds, you can use ideas like calling the sound the holding a baby sound. Ask students to place their arms as in holding a baby and say, ah. A third aspect is referring to sounds friendly. It is important to call the sounds not by the technical name like fricative or bilabial, but to make reference to something easier by explaining how to articulate the sounds so students assimilate it better. For example, you can use commands like put your lips together for or sound, or make the sound of a snake for and the sound of a bee for.
Now, what about you? According to your experience learning pronunciation, what type of lesson were you taught with? What type of activities did your teachers use? Bring an example just as the one referring to the cup of tea, where different